Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today in this video I'm going to show you how to fix when you are unable to install this update, that is KB5062553. Because of this error, that is your device is missing important security updates. So if you're receiving this error, then please follow the steps shown in this video. Now the first step is to pause and restart the update. So go to Windows Update. Over here you can see the pause update option. So hit pause. This process will take some time and then hit resume updates. So you have to pause and resume the update and then check. Still not working. The next step is to start App Readiness service. Now for this, type in services in Windows search box and then click on services. Now find App Readiness, make a double click, set this to automatic. Click on apply, click on start if highlighted, and then click on OK. And then update. Still not working, then run update troubleshooter. Open Windows settings, go to system, go to troubleshoot option over here, and then click on other troubleshooters. Here you can see Windows update, click on run. Now on this screen, you will see Windows Update Troubleshooter. Here you can see run the Windows Update Troubleshooter. And then select the option which says I can't download, install or uninstall update. And then can we run the Windows Update Automated Diagnostic? Yes. Now here you can see Windows Update Diagnostic failed to run. In that case, for me it never works. So in that case, you have an option. Would you like to talk to agent? So if you want to speak to Microsoft agent, you can select yes and just follow the steps. Now still not working. The next step is to restart Windows Update and Background Intelligent Transfer Service. Now for this, type in services in Windows search box and then find Windows Update. Make a double click on Windows Update over here. Set this to automatic. Click on apply. Click on start if highlighted and then click on OK. Now find Background Intelligent Transfer Service. Make a double click. Set this to automatic. Apply. Click on start if highlighted and then click on OK. With this selected over here, make a right click. Click on restart. Do the same thing with Windows Update. Make a right click and then click on restart. And then try to update your Windows 11. Still not working. The next step is to use Windows 11 Installation Assistant. So copy this link. The link is provided in the video description. Open this link in a browser. Here you can see Windows 11 Installation Assistant. Click on download now. Run this exe file. Click on yes to allow. If there is any update, you will see update now option or install now option. In my case, it's already up to date. Next step is to use Microsoft Update Catalog. For this, copy this link. The link is provided in the video description. And then write down the name of the update, that is KB5062553. And then paste it over here. Search this update. Windows 11 version 24H2 x64 base system. This is for me. You can check what kind of system you have. You can go to system, go to about, and then you will see system type x64. So for me, it's Windows 11 version 24H2 x64. Download this. And then over here you will see KB5062553. Run this, download this, and once the download is complete, you can click on this file and you can install this update manually and then restart your computer. If that does not work, you can even install this update, restart your computer, and then check. Still not working. The next step is to reset Windows Update components. Now for this, copy all these commands. These commands are provided in the video description. So copy till here. Open Notepad and then paste all the command in Notepad. File, save as, name this file as wuauserv.bat or save as type all files. Save. Now go to desktop you can set the location to desktop. Make a right click on wufix file and then run as administrator. Make sure that you open this file as an administrator. Click on yes to allow. And over here, first of all, it will stop all the Windows Update services. If you see this prompt to continue, type in Y for yes and then hit the enter key. First of all, it will stop all the Windows Update services and then it will run some scans. Now there are couple of scans, like 3-4 scans, so the scan process will take some time. So if you see over here in the command, here you can see there are so many scans. So the scan process will take some time, and once the scan is all the scans are complete, it will restart all the Windows Update services, and then once this is done, it will automatically close, or you can close this. Once this is complete, then restart your computer, and after the system restart, you can open Windows settings, go to Windows Update, and then try to update your Windows 11. Still not working. The next step is to use fix problems using Windows Update option. Now for this, you can go to Windows Update, advanced option, and then go to recovery option. Over here you can see the option which says fix problems using Windows Update. This will reinstall your current version of Windows. Your apps, files and settings will be preserved. Now click on reinstall now. This process will take some time, and once this is done, check. Still not working. The last step is to use media creation tool. Now for this, copy this link. The link is provided in the video description. Open this link in a browser. Here you can see media creation tool. Click on download now. Once the download is complete, run this exe file and then you will see this screen. Click on accept. Then by default Windows 11 would be selected. Click on next. Select ISO file over here and then click on next. And then set the location as desktop and then click on save. Now let the download complete. This process will take some time. And once this is done, click on finish. Now once you click on finish, you will see this screen. Do not close it manually. Let it auto close. It will close automatically. Then go to desktop. Make a double click on Windows ISO file. And then you will see setup file. Make a double click on setup file. Click on yes to allow. Click on next. Accept. And over here you can see ready to install. By default, the option to keep personal files and app would be checked. When this is checked, you will not lose any data on the computer. So make sure this is checked and then click on install. After the installation, this process will again take some time. After the installation, log into the computer and then you can update your Windows 11. So one of the steps shown in this video should help you to install this update successfully on your Windows 11 computer. So that'll be all. Thank you so much for your time, and please like this video and subscribe to my channel.